Oh,
muskie.
it's a muskie.
Muskie.
Nice, first muskie of the year.
We're breaking a rod there. What? Oh, high five. He did a fist bump. You did a high five.
Nice.
That's a weird look. That's a nice.
Nice muskie.
He barely had it hooked. I just sat down.
Pretty. Hold on, let me get a.
First muskie of the year. For me. Hey, it's my first one of the year. There, I'm up to 3 muskies, Dad.
All right, hold on. Hold it up. Thank you.
There, you got off.
Okay, holding that right there.
Not let that easy now.
The thing I like the worst.
No, but it happened well because I got his bait out without getting his tank.
Lost the fish.
It's just a northern though.
You can hold it up for Mom over there.
Nice, nice.
Now we need to get
Thank you.
That one blew up.
That thing hit it hard.
You're a little in the weeds over here.
I knew that thing was a northern after that sound.
Dad.
Well, last time we fished it, we were surprised to catch northern. It was weird.
Well, this is starting to turn on.
I guess so. It's starting to get into summer pattern now. Starting to act the way it should be.
Maybe I'll do another flip in the air.
Another one just jumped right there. Starting to get aggressive. Oh, I almost pulled it out. Don't throw the bait. Don't throw the bait.
No, I'm on a pop bar.
You think I can net him?
Yeah. Just, I didn't want him.
That's a nice one.
So get him out before he blows up. Think you can pop him? Here, I'll get your pliers. You want? Here, I'll try it.
Just a second, please.
You want me to try and pop him out?
Just a second, please.
Take it though.
You could take the back hook off.
Holy, how are they missing it?
Hey, you're free.
Okay.
That's what that one just threw in line.
Now I'll take the hook out. I'm left-handed. I'm not left-handed, so I'm having a struggle.
Oh, maybe it's because I've been hooked before by it.
Here, I'll do it.
Thank you.
Alright.
That's fine.
These things aren't wanting you.
That one was trying to take it in. That was a big sucker. That way it been.
That way.
There you
What
go.
is it, like
Nice.
a
I didn't want to
fatty?
sore mouth him. He's nice.
I don't want to drop him all over the ground.
Plunk.
Got him? Yep. He's winging there.
Oh wait, maybe I don't. Yeah, I did.
You got some?
You ready with the net, Ray?
Yeah, I think I have some. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Northern.
I assume we had him ready.
Oh, that's not the same fish, Ray.
It's a frog, so I can put him in the net.
Nice.
Not bad, little guy.
Haul them out of there. New rod?
Oh no,
it's
it's
over one. He's got the same rod. He's got like a different version.
what's that like? 35,
20.
I think Cameron.
Should have got a picture.
Yeah. Yes.
He got away from
Oh, that happens. Clean release.
No, haven't we?
Oh, it's up in there too.
Or he's not retried everything with
Are you right behind me so I can cast overhand? Oh, there it is.
I thought that was gonna be for sure a largemouth.
Yeah.
But they're not. But there's largemouth there, right?
Fish.
There you go. We'll see what these fish are.
This looks like a northern.
Small something. Northern?
Ah, little bass.
No, it's northern.
That's a northern.
It's the tiniest northern ever.
Snot rocket.
Lift them?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Can I have the hook out so I don't cut myself? Thank you. Hello, my little Liebchen. Oh. Seriously? You little snot rocket. Oh,
What did he do? Catch your jacket?
no, he's got all 3 hooks in the front of his mouth.
Awesome.
Can I have a different,
It's a muskie sitting there.
it's a log.
It's a log.
Can I have a different hookouts that works, please?
Here you go.
Everybody's not snagged. I'm just a cat. Alright.
Woo! He missed. That was a northern. He missed.
Oh, thank goodness.
Off.
Yep.
Idea.
What are you trying?
Orange. Something orange.
Like this?
Yeah, I tried a smaller version. This one? That one, yeah. That's my favorite color right now.
What's that called?
That's pumpkin. Pumpkin, green and black. It's got the green and black. Right.
I got it.
Muskie! Muskie! That's a muskie,
Dude,
Mom.
that's a giant fish.
That's a big muskie.
I think giant.
That's a muskie. I saw the stripes. Big
Oh
muskie.
my gosh, Scott. Oh.
That's a big muskie, Mom. You see the size of it?
Dude.
It's a
How
muskie.
big is it? Do you need me to go after it?
40s probably.
No, we're not that big.
Isn't it?
Do you need me to go after it? Well,
Yes. Maybe.
It's under the bridge. You can see it at the surface.
It's coming though. I don't know, easy
you
because
can work it up. We'll stay here. I'm on spot lock.
he hammered it pretty hard. I'm hoping he stays on.
You got your camera on?
Yeah, I think so.
It's on. I think he got the blow up on.
Yep.
Look at the turtle.
Now, don't distract me.
Yeah, that's it. Don't worry about a stupid thing.
That was a big snap.
You ready with that net? You gotta extend it out?
Big snap, big muskie.
That's a big boil there.
It's a muskie, Dad, though. It jumped. I saw it. Full on in there. It's a nice muskie there. Is that a northern?
That's a big northern.
Get that fucking popper out of there. Pardon my language. I apologize.
There you go. It's a nice one.
It's over 30.
That's a 30-inch fish.
Yeah. I thought it was a muskie. I thought it was
I was hoping for a
the
muskie.
tail looked like one. That's what I thought.
Nice.
35?
No.
Maybe. He's nice looking.
It's long. So should I just like
33. You gotta keep
Oh,
full
here's a
of
nice one. Look at how. Must be beat up from spawning. Check that out. He's all meaty.
Yeah, squeeze it with the pliers. It goes right in that.
Nice long right there.
Holy cow, what do I got on?
I'd say that's a northern.
That didn't feel good. You could like feel the bait slip.
That's never a good deal.
I don't like that.
feel nice.
It feels like a decent fish, whatever it is.
Molly?
Northern.
Damn, you have northern magnets in there.
Not sure the weed then yet.
That's probably what it just felt like it was slipping.
Oh.
Is it off? It's off.
I just put it in the water.
Yes, please. Try not to hook it with the bait. Wait,
Oh,
the bait's still in the net.
I started. It's not going out.
Hold on. Just leave him in the water. Let me get the bait out of the way. All right, I'm out of the net with the weed. There we go. Look at him go.
Mm-hmm.
Smoked that.
He did. A good run there.
He did. Well, you know what I mean when I say that slipping feeling, where you feel like your bait's coming off.
What
I-
that was the length of the weed.
Could be. He smoked it. I like that he came off in the net though. Yep. Ooh.
That was a big bass.
Damn. Largemouth?
No.
No, small. Almost guaranteed to be a smallie.
Man, that thing hammered it too. I felt them. Still didn't hook up though.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with these smallmouth. They're like not letting a full
Smalls
eat
in
it.
it. They're like a tablet, they gotta taste it. That was the greatest reference I've ever heard.
They're looking at it right there. Swim by it.
Smallie.
You know,
Any size?
I don't know yet.
he's underneath it
Maybe a
again.
walleye, you never know.
He's not hitting it?
No.
Raymond's got one on.
Let me know when you're.
Over there at the soup point.
The hell
Came
about
up
bigger
and
than
looked at
last
it 3 times or he ain't hit it again.
It's a nice one.
All right, Ray needs a net, Dad. Do you want to hold my rod? Oops. You want to take the rod?
Oh, not a bad one.
It's like 16.
Not 19.
Oh, easy. Gee, gotta break my freaking line, bro.
Relax. Just break. That's a nice one. Woo, he's a fighter.
He is a fighter. Darting in like a northern.
There you are.
Oh, perfect hook set on
Inhaled that. Yeah, it was good.
He's not 16. I thought he was big.
All right, Dad. Thank you.
Not small or not big. Fat. Nice, perfect hook right in the top.
He's up there. I
See
can
him?
see him. Sitting
He's like
underneath the
14.
boat looking at it.
See him, Mom?
Right now?
See, when I threw in there 3 times.
Oh, he's nice.
Fatty. With
Yeah.
his belly.
Rub his belly.
See him in?
Yeah, this one.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's so wiggly.
Mm-hmm. So through the sucker,
Okay.
in like
I
this.
was wondering if I could throw a jerkbait here because it's when I pop it up off the bottom to hit it.
Okay. It's
Okay.
still alive, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here, watch this. Let me get this. All right, so here.
Mm.
Well, let's sit there and just kind of feel. Then lift up a little bit, then set it down. Lift up a little bit, and then set it down. Hang time. Plunk. And then do a gentle cast up towards the lily pads.
Hopefully they didn't get the walleye on that thing. How? Yeah, it's probably good video. I don't know. I have 50 fish now.
I don't know, Ray. I'm not keeping count.
Two smallies and one muskie.
There you go. That screams, eat me in that spot all day long.
That's what I'm saying.
Rocky bottom, that's for sure. Boom, 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 every time you rolled over something.
Watch the log.
Yeah, I see the log now.
Okay,
Roll over.
now when you do that again, leave it sit there longer.
Okay.
There's Ray's geese. Ray loves those geese.
Ah, shit.
You just gotta let it sit.
Okay.
Outside, you really. Confidence they'll find it.
Yeah, when I popped it up and then they smoked it. That was all I did. But it was leaving it sit there after a while. Even for one of them. Like,
Oh!
What the heck? You got bit
Oh, I got bit off.
Top water?
Tube.
Oh.
It hammered it.
Oh.
Oh,
Holy crap, that's a nice one.
Nice one there.
Ray, watch the net.
It's a suicide dive right there. Nah, don't do that. Going to the poach.
You need a big line.
Just watch the net.
Still got some fight left in her. Get her?
Nice.
Nice.
Done.
Oh, that's a nice one.
This might be, I think it's 20.
That might be an upgrade from Master
Yeah, I
Angler.
think that is. That was a net seed on my job. If I would have missed that, I would know.
Thanks for the net, Raymond.
I probably would've
So drop shotting, remember.
Drop shot lead.
Don't move it.
That's a big fish there. That might be 21.
Maybe.
Where's
the scale?
Where's the ruler?
Sitting on the counter.
I found it. I found it.
Pretty sure that's the one that missed my bait the first time. That was
Is that probably 4 pounds?
I don't know. I don't know.
4.5 there.
All right.
I'm gonna want a picture with this one.
Well, heck yeah. Close him out. Oh, you're good. There you go. Close him out.
Where we at?
He's only 19.
That's it?
Close his mouth. Close it.
Yeah, I know. I see that. I'm sure.
You might be only 19.
He's just over 19.
You might 19 and a quarter. Yeah, nope. He's only 19.
You're nice. Only
It's a
19.
fatty though. It's
He's a dandy. Let me get a. Let me get
pretty football right there.
Yep.
No, I got my fish for the weekend.
Wow.
Caught a master angler, technically.
Yeah, technically, yep.
You're a fella.
No. In the center of you. No, move the fish to the center. No. Okay. Smile.
I know.
Sm
Just try and cast another river. Not cast by weed. I break off weed.
Okay. Where's your phone? I can send these to you if you.
Yeah.
Break off.
Yeah, because I freaking hit the stump
Just
and I tried
relax,
to
Ray.
You could just hold the little camera thing down there.
Ray, get your butt out of the way.
Is that good?
Yeah, I took 3.
Alright.
I take good photographs.
Oh yeah, so do good. Do look good. Thank you.
Now text it to your dad right away.
I will.
You want to let him go, right?
That's like a, what, we say 4 pounder, right?
Sure.
Maybe.
3.5, 4.
He's a nice fish. He
I
looks
thought he was gonna be
longer.
20. I mean, that thing was fat. They're so fat in this river, it's unbelievable.
Oh, there he goes. Did he? Yep, he kicked back
He was
up.
kicking off on my
Yep.
hand. I'm sorry,
Yeah,
Drop shot
no,
lead.
it's the current is so fast that.
I put everyone else.
Yeah, as soon as I put, that was the second, no, that was not the second cast. That was not what that was. Yep.
Beach, drop shot it just like I did.
Right where I told him. Ha ha!
Right where I lost that one.
Am I still blinking?
Yes.
Were you recording that?
I did.
Felt that one hit. Holy smokes.
You want me to net from behind, Andrew? I
Yeah.
can. Here, Andrew, come back here and take my rod.
I got a fish on that one too.
I think I do.
Oh no, I popped. I just felt something pop. That wasn't good.
Careful, careful. Just keep her. Oh, it's nice. Relax.
So that's what's popping. I don't like that.
I know, I don't like that either.
Holy shit. What do I got on?
I think it was a nice smallie.
Oh, did you just break off, Andrew?
Not broke off.
Oh, it dropped. The whole weight drop broke off on this. This thing ain't stopping, whatever it is.
Dad, can you like maybe go down river for him?
No, just wait. This thing's got so much current.
It's way down there. Oh, wow.
Thing's giant.
Huge.
Please don't break. Please don't break.
Just don't force it.
You're gonna start gaining now.
It's fighting sideways, but that's a big fish.
He knows what the,
Right behind the rock pile right now.
I don't know. He's been running everywhere, and he runs. He's got
He's up
power.
here now.
Okay, perfect. He's not getting close to the boat now.
This keeper,
We're doing good, Dad.
just lift your rod tip up. No,
I
no,
am.
no. Keep coming back.
Okay, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
Don't jump.
Jumping is bad, jumping is bad. No, 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 no.
Recording?
Towards me, yeah.
I'm trying, Mom. Yeah?
I got it.
That job.
Thank you.
Master angler.
That's a master angler.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
There you go.
That's a big fish.
Cool. I had him in the throat, but I think it would have easily came off. I don't think he's well hooked.
Oh, that was on a leech.
Yes, it was.
That's a big fish. And the weight just came off mine, Andrew?
Yeah.
Maybe down too far, I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Smallmouth ever?
Do you want me to just put my hand in there and get it? Oh, you got it.
I had to go through the gills of it.
All right, that's a dandy. Okay, flatten the board out.
Come on, baby. Oh,
20. Close his mouth. Yep,
20 and a quarter.
20 and a quarter?
Yeah.
All right.
that's a big smallmouth.
When he hit it, I was like, boom! I was like, holy Christ. The whole rod shook. I was like, oh. Wow. That thing's got to weigh over 4. Oh, definitely over 4.
It's 4.5.
That's a big fish.
That's 4.5 probably.
That's
Strong,
a really
heavy,
big
dense.
fish.
It's a really dense fish, too.
Dad, thanks for dropping down for that.
Thank you. I don't know if I would have caught that had I not done that. You might have broke
Right.
me. There was a couple times where I felt the line stretch and I was like, ooh.
Come on.
And I didn't like that. I think that's my bone I was feeling.
Okay, close his mouth.
Mouth is closed. Come on. Can we squeeze 20 and a half out of him? Maybe be my biggest, or sec tie was my biggest. No!
Okay, Andrew, could you move this out of the way? His mouth is not closed.
Hold on.
His mouth is not closed. There you go.
Move your one finger there. It's kind of.
Good photo. Is he touching the bump board?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can look at him.
Let's take one here. I'll just take a hero shot real quick. Hold on.
Let's
Hold
not
on.
get the bridge in the
Yeah, that's
background.
the worst thing we could possibly do. Let's. You stand up. I sit down.
Oh, sorry, Andrew.
Very good.
Okay. I had a
There
good.
you go.
Now,
Throw him in a live
Wait.
well for right now. Make sure he stays alive. Quickly.
my
That's
picture
enough.
is better.
All right. Throw that in the live well.
Now we gotta look at my
Make
thing.
sure he stays alive. Pump him up with some oxygen. Then we'll release him.
Give me a rod.
Air raid on there, down there.
We got it on auto. That's what the rate
Okay,
is.
there you go.
It's a check mark. Let's take a look at these photos.
I didn't like how that looked.
No, I didn't either. Wow, this thing is so strong. Hope there's a master anglerfish.
That would be nice.
And there's
Yeah?
just a lake sturgeon.
I've never caught one, personally.
I haven't even seen one.
They're incredibly they're an incredible fish.
Oh no, it's a dinosaur.
Ooh, it's getting close.
It's getting close.
Hey Dad, I set a rip and wrap on the deck over here. Okay.
Come on up. I might guess flathead. Where it's just sticking to the bottom. Oh,
Oh, we got bubbles. Oh, don't say it's a turtle. I caught a turtle out here. That's why they keep messing with me on it.
Was it a big fight?
No! No, I couldn't, and it was in the mouth, on my jig in
There's
the middle.
no way it hits that.
It had to
So
have. It was
weird.
in the mouth.
Unless you just dragged it by its.
I even have it on video.
That's crazy.
Fight hard.
It came in, it was the weirdest feeling thing I'd ever caught.
Comes up like a brick.
We got some boils now.
Huh?
Got some boils.
Holy big flathead. Holy crap.
Holy moly.
I think that was a flathead, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yep. Oh. The monster. Uh-oh.
Don't pull his head out of the water.
Don't pull his head out of the water. You will
You gotta
lose the
get him
fish.
to come to the boat.
Alright. What should I
Walk
do?
backwards, maybe into the...
Hold on, let me get that rip wrap. A second.
Just keep it on. Okay. Right to me. No, no, careful, careful.
Slip.
You might want to like step back into the boat. That's what I was getting at.
Yeah.
So you can lift.
There you go. There you go. Is
Oh.
that Master Angler?
I have no idea yet. It's got to be 36.
Man, that thing fought hard. Oh, that's my PB flathead. I don't think I only caught it one time.
Yeah. I was gonna say it's not very big for out here,
No.
but it hammered it.
Probably 30, maybe 30, 31.
How do I even hold this thing? Through the gills?
By the most. Bottom jaw is like a handlebar.
Ain't it gonna just bite down though?
Yeah, they bite down, but they don't have any
They're not like a bullhead where they bite hard. They got it in the mouth, yeah. They really don't bite. They don't have a tough
Oh, my right arm's small.
Okay, can I have a hook out?
That all looks like smallmouth.
Hello, baby. Thank you.
I thought it would have been bigger than that. It just fought so hard.
They do. They're fun to catch.
Yeah, it's fun. How does that thing hit a
Oh
ripping
my
rat?
god, I hate this hook out. Can I have the pliers, please? Not this thing. No, 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 no. I'm not getting stuck with a ripping wrap.
Stupid catfish. Alright, one up came out. Every thing is in there.
He only had one in. That's all he had left.
Jeez.
Okay, let's
Alright.
get rid of that.
Alright, look out.
We'll measure him just for posterity. Hello, Fetty. You're so cute.
Put him on the bump board, but I don't think he's gonna make it.
I don't think he's gonna make it, but he's still cool.
That's a PB.
He's neat.
It's over 30, I think. 31 maybe.
got big long
I don't grab this thing.
We're just gonna slide him
I don't like catfish.
underneath his belly. Is where you kind of hold him. Just wait.
I want to straighten the board a little bit.
28.
28.
I want a picture of this guy.
Yep. Get your camera out.
Oh,
Let me see his face real good.
Make sure he's a flat and not a channel.
There's no way that's a channel cat.
I've got a 29-inch channel cat.
Yeah.
No, it's not. I'm
He
saying.
doesn't have big enough whiskers to be a
No,
channel cat.
he's a flat.
Well, its head's also
tail's all flat out.
flat too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Can you show him how to hold it?
You get it. Grab that bottom jaw and really hold onto it like a handlebar, and don't let him shake his head.
That's what I'm trying not
It'll
to.
rake
Put your hand under his belly. Support him under the belly. Stand back by my husband. Okay.
Don't want that soft belly man. This time.
One of those has to be pretty good. Hold on. Hold it.
You should get down on your knees.
I can't be on my knees. You want me down there? Here.
Forget it. Stop.
Okay.
Don't release his fish. Now, releasing him. Don't just let him go. You want to wait until he kind of opens his mouth. Otherwise, he'll clamp down on your finger and rake you.
He went.
Yeah, he'll swim.
God.
It's not a matter. You just don't want to.
Cut my finger up good
Oh
there.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
If you try and pull your hand out of his mouth real fast.
Stupid
like
fish
down
that I'm
there.
glad I caught.
Yeah, no, I'm glad I caught it. It's just. I felt my finger. Ugh.